Hello friends, it's lunch time. I'm going to discuss about pet and farm animals in detail. We will discuss here the definition, example and difference. Name of pet animals: dog, parrot, cat, goldfish, rabbit, etc. Definition of pet animals: animals can kept in the home for a person's company and entertainment, called pet animals. Farm animals name: cow, hen, lamb, horse, pig, and so on. Definition of farm animals: animals that are raised and kept for agricultural purpose, called farm or domestic animals. Difference between farm and lives in animals. With us, farmer lives in farm. Pets animals are basically stay with us for company. Farm animals are kept for agricultural purpose. Farm animals gives us milk and milk products, eggs, wool, etc. Pets are for our affection and entertainment. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And thank you for being a part of my family.